Hi there folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the new DJI OSMO Mobile SE. And if the name didn't give it away, it's a gimbal for your phone. So, here we have the new DJI OSMO Mobile SE. Inside the box you're going to find a mini screw-in tripod, charging cable, a carry pouch, a magnetic clip for your phone, and the gimbal itself. And the clip just attaches to the gimbal like so. So, what do I like about this thing? 1. Easy use. You can take this straight out of the box and jump straight in. 2. Battery life. I used this for a shoot and I'm pretty sure the phone died before this thing did. 3. It's really small. Like, this fits straight in your pocket. If you're a vlogger or a travel vlogger, like, you can take this anywhere. It's brilliant. And you don't need to be a professional to use it because it's so easy to use. 4. The app. The app's full of pre-programmed movements that's going to help guide you through the shots that you want to achieve to get the best results. And I just think that's really useful. One thing that I don't like about it is also related to the app though. If you're using the app, it doesn't automatically save the files that you're recording to the SD card on your phone, and there's no option to do that either. So if you're recording with the app, make sure that you've got enough room on your phone, otherwise, yeah, you're going to run out of space pretty quickly. If, for example, you don't want to use the app though, you can do that. All you have to do is just turn it on by holding the little M button here. I don't know if you can see, there we go. Switch that on. Also make sure your phone's actually attached to it. So you attach your phone. If you want to balance it out, all you have to do is hit this little trigger twice and it automatically balances out. If you would like to switch between portrait and landscape, all you have to do is just tap this button here twice and it will switch between the two. Then once you've done that, you use this button here to cycle through the modes to decide what you would like, and then you're good to go. You just have to start filming, and it's so simple to use. You can have a lot of fun with this, and I have. And that's that. Now if you've liked this video, please feel free to like, share, subscribe, and of course hit that little bell icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a video, and I will catch you in the next one. I still haven't found a way to sign off yet. It feels weird. I'm self-conscious. I'm sitting here in my house feeling self-conscious. So like, share, subscribe, and of course hit the little bell icon so that you get notified. I don't know why I pointed to my groin.